Notice of motions. Honorable Julius Matwere, Member of County Assembly, representing Bonyamatuta, filed Gazette Notice number 231 of 14 November 2025. Honorable Matwere.
Honorable Speaker, I wish to give notice of motion for removal of Honorable Amos Nyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, from office by way of impeachment on the following grounds. Number one, gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya and other laws. And two, abuse of office. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable members, the House stands adjourned until Tuesday, 18th November 2025 at exactly 9:30 a.m.